Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use horizontal volume in Tradingview, also called the volume profile, and explain how it helps us see where the market is really focused. This tool is helpful because instead of showing volume over time, it shows volume at each price. This makes it easier to spot key levels. Let's get started. We open any chart in Tradingview. This works for stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Now, we look at the left-hand toolbar and scroll. Here, we find the indicator's icon at the top of the chart. We click it. In the indicator search bar, we type volume profile. We will see a few options, but we want volume profile visible range. We click it, and right away, it appears on our chart as horizontal bars on the right side. This is our horizontal volume. What are we looking at? Each horizontal bar shows how much trading happened at a certain price. The longer the bar, the more volume at that level. The most important level is called the point of control, or POC. This is the price with the most volume, and it often acts as a strong support or resistance. We usually see it highlighted or a bit darker than the other bars. Next is the value area. This is the range where about 70% of all trading volume happened. Markets often move and react inside this area, so it is a key zone for entries, exits, or consolidation. Now let's quickly adjust the settings to make it easier to read. We hover over the volume profile and click the gear icon next to it. In the settings, we can change the width or adjust the opacity so it does not block the price. We can also turn the point of control on or off, show or hide the value areas. A simple setup is to keep the bars thin, the POC visible, and lower the opacity a bit so price action is clear. How do we use this? Horizontal volume helps us find strong support and resistance, spot high-interest price zones, and see where price may pause, reverse, or consolidate. If price moves quickly through a low-volume area, it usually means there is little interest there. But when price reaches a high-volume node, we often see reactions, pauses, or reversals. One thing to remember, horizontal volume works best when we use it with price action, trend lines, or horizontal levels, not by itself. Common mistakes are using it on very small time frames where there is too much noise, ignoring the trend and only looking at the volume bars, and making the chart messy with too many volume profiles. If we want to look at a certain move, we keep using visible range and zoom in or out. The volume profile will adjust to what is on the screen. To recap, we open indicators, add pro, and then add volume profile, visible range. We focus on the point of control and the value area and use it with price action, not alone. Once we get used to horizontal volume, it becomes one of the easiest ways to see where trading is really happening. If this helps, please drop a like. Subscribe for more Tradingview tutorials.